First question, the score in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. Given the data, okay, find the mode and median of this data. Are they same? ये आपको बताना है कि जो भी आपको मोड एंड मीडियन मिलेगा क्या वो सेम होगा. सो डाटा गिवन 19 25 23 20 25 23 29 20 29 20 50 10 5 60 50 10 5 60 25 20 24 25 20 24 12 20 12 20. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this data given in odd number. 15 data observation given here. Okay. Now first you arrange in ascending order. If you calculate mode and median, so first you arrange this data in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to highest. हमको कैसे अरेंज करना है, छोटे से बड़ा ascending order. So which one is a smaller number? 9, 10. Okay. So start from 9, 10. After that 12. Okay. Here 9, 10. Next 12. 15, sorry 5. 5 is a very smaller. Starting from 5. यहाँ एक और नंबर आएगा. 9 से भी छोटा है 5. Okay. 15. After that 16. Now 19 and 4 times 20. 19 and 24 times. 1, 2, 3 and 2. 20, 20, 20. Okay. After that 23, 24, 23, 24 and 25 2 times. Repeat here. 25 and 25. I have arranged already in ascending order. After that, find the mode. Mode means observation is that occurs highest number of times. जो भी आपका given data है, उसकी जो भी observation है, given observation of data means occurs most of time, means highest number of times. जो भी number है वो आपका सबसे ज़्यादा time repeat हो रहा है. So this one 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times आ रहा है. So mode equal 20, क्योंकि 4 times repeat हो रहा है. Okay, most of time. Now median. Median means middle observation. अब इसमें टोटल डाटा गिवन है 15. ओके 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. सो 15 को आप हाफ हाफ डिवाइड कर दो, हाफ इधर हाफ इधर. सो 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 इधर हो गया. आफ्टर दैट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ओके एंड middle observation. So middle observation, this number जो middle में आता है, this is 20. Through the formula, how can find it? एक formula भी है, इसको आप ऐसे भी find कर सकते हो और एक formula भी है median find करने का. So what is the formula? See here, median equal n plus 1 upon 2. n means number, जो भी आपका ऑब्जर्वेशन नंबर्स गिवन है। सो टोटल नंबर गिवन here 15, कितने टोटल नंबर्स गिवन है 15 प्लस 1 divided by 2, 16 upon 2 you will get 8, means 8 प्लेस में जो भी आपका नंबर आएगा, this one is a middle observation. Now counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8th place में 20 आया. So this one is a middle observation. Means ये middle जो number है वो आपका answer. So if you want to find through the formula, you can find it. 8th place में जो भी आपका number आएगा, इसी तरह से आपका दूसरे में आपका दूसरा ऑब्जर्वेशन हो तो कोई 11 भी हो सकता है, 9 भी हो सकता है, बट वन थिंग टू नोटिस हियर, दिस ऑब्जर्वेशन गिवन इन ऑड फॉर्म, ये ऑड में है, इवन में आपका चेंज हो जाएगा, वो जब इवन आएगा तब हम लोग बताएंगे, उसको करेंगे। नाउ मूविंग ऑन, नाउ बोथ आर सेम, सो सी हियर आपको टोटल कितना मिला 20 and million also 20, so both observation are same. Okay, you will write it, both observation are, yeah, both are same, both are same. Now moving on, second number question, the runs score in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. Okay, given the runs, okay, score run score given है, find the mean, mode and median of this data. आपको इसको तीनों फाइंड करने हैं, so are three same, आपको ये बताना है क्या ये तीनों का आंसर जो है वो सेम है। So let's begin. Mean as you know formula, sum of all observations upon total number of observations, means sum of all run scores. Second number, first you have to write data. Okay, so 6, 15 data given here is 4, 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 80, 10, 50, 8, 10, 15, 8, 10, and 50. This data given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this one also given in odd form. So first you have to find the mean. Sum of all is run score, sum of all observation भी लिख सकते हो, score भी लिख सकते हो, scores upon number of total number of matches, cricket matches, 11 players, so total number of players, total number of players. Okay, now the sums, you will write the sum, आप इसको sum करके you have to add all data, 15, 120 plus 50 plus 100 plus 80 plus 10, 15 plus 8 plus 10 plus 15 upon total number given 11. Now you will get 429 upon 11. 429 upon 11. Now divide it. तो आपको कितना मिलेगा? आप 11 से डिवाइड करो तो 3 टाइम्स 4 3 जा 33 9 so 39 you'll get 39 times में पूरा fully divisible है, so mean you will get 39. Now after that find the mode. For this calculation first you arrange in ascending order, इसके लिए कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इसको असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करेंगे। तो फर्स्ट टू अरेंज असेंडिंग ऑर्डर। So 6 at 10, 10, 6, 8, 10, 10. After that, 15 3 times, 15, 15, 15, and 50, 80, 50, 80, 100, and 120. Okay. So this is one your data we have arranged already. Now find the mode. So mode means highest, means those number occurs highest number of times. So 15. Here 15 numbers repeated more and more times. 1, 2, 3 times. So answer will be 50. Now find the median. So median total data given here, observation given here 11. Now you have to this side 5 and 5 कर दो, middle में क्या आएगा 1 2 3 4 5. So this number comes in middle. And through the formula अगर जाते हो median n plus 1 upon 2. So n 11 plus 1 upon 2 we will get 12 upon 2. Means 6 position. Which numbers come? Which number comes? So this is your answer. So 15. Median also 15. Okay. Are the three सेम? आपको ये बताना है कि तीनों का जो आया आंसर, क्या तीनों का आंसर सेम है? सो दिस इज आपका क्या होगा? नो, बिकॉज मीन ऑब्जर्वेशन विल गेट डिफरेंट. आपको 39 आया बट मोड एंड मीडियन आर सेम बट मीन आपका सेम नहीं है. सो दे आर नॉट सेम. विल राइट इट. दे आर not same. Okay. These are not same. Okay. Now coming on. Third number question. Third number question given. The weight of 15 students of a class are given the observation. First question, find the mode and median. तो इसमें भी आपको मोड एंड मीडियन फाइंड करना है. First to arrange this data in ascending order. Now arrange it. So 32, 35, 36, 32, 35, 36, 37, 38, 38, 38, 37, 38 3 times. Okay. Now 40, 42, 43, 40, 42, 43, 43, 43. After that 45, 47, 50. 45, 47 and 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 15 observation given here. 15 numbers given here. Now we have arranged already. Now find the mode. So first question, mode and median. You have to find it. So here 38, 1, 2, 3 times, and one more numbers occurs highest number of times, 43 and 38. So इसमें दो मोड आ रहे हैं. One is 38, another is a 43. So mode आपका हो गया 38 and 43 क्योंकि दोनों ही टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं। ओके, सो मोड आ गया 38 and 43 both occurs 3 times. Okay, now second one median आपको फाइंड करना है। सो median as you know median equal आप फॉर्मूला के थ्रू भी कर सकते हो, ऐसे भी कर सकते हो। तो दिस वन आई एम राइटिंग हियर टोटल आपका कितना है 51 2 3 4 5 6 7। सो 8 प्लेस पे जो भी आपका आएगा that number is a middle number, middle observation. So 14. If you find the go through the formula you can solve. Okay, so this one is the you will get 14. Now second question given to us, is there more than one mode? Yes. Here in this question you will get 2 more. कितना आपको मिला 2 more because both occurs 3 times. दोनों ही कितने टाइम्स रिपीट हो रहे हैं 3 times. Okay, both occurs 3 times. That's why you'll get 2 more, isn't it? So second का क्या होगा? Yes. Yes, there are 2 modes for the given rate of the students. So second part you can write it yes. Okay, there are 2 modes. Now coming on fourth number question. So find the mode and median of the data. Given the data, okay. So mode and median you can find it. आप कर सकते हो, but I'm solving here. Very easy a question. So first arrange in ascending order. This question also arrange in ascending order. You'll get 12, 12, 12. 12, 12, 14, 13, after that 14, 14, 14, 3 times, 14, 14, 14. Now, next number 16 and 19, 16 and 19, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, given the 9th observation, okay. Now, find the first after क्या mean? Mode and median. So mode you will get 14 because 14 occurs 3 times. Okay, so mode you will get 14. Now median equal. So median middle observation. So total numbers 9 means 4 here and 4. So you get this number is a fifth place. If fifth place number means middle number, you will get 14. This one also answer means both you will get 14. आपका दोनों ही क्या आया आंसर 14. मीन भी सॉरी मोड एंड मीडियन. सो फिफ्थ टर्म आपका आ गया 14 एंड मोड ऑल्सो. Now coming on last question, question number 5. Tell whether the statement is true or false. Okay. So here first question, the mode is always one of the number in a data. Definitely mode जो होता है वो डाटा का ही एक नंबर होता है, तो it is true. डाटा में से ही हम लोग मोड को सेलेक्ट करते हैं. Now second question, the mean of one of the number in a data. नहीं, mean आपको average find out करना होता है. Okay, so it is false. Third part, the median is always one of the number in a data. So median भी क्या होता है? नंबर ही होता है, ऑब्जर्वेशन का एक नंबर ही होता है, तो it is also true. This one also true. Now last part, the data given has been 9. आपको फाइंड करना है, इसको फाइंड करके ट्रू एंड फॉल्स बताना है. तो आपको इसका मीन फाइंड करना है. आफ्टर दैट फाइंड it is true or false. Okay, now if you have any queries, so you can ask me.